Hi everyone, welcome to Aravilam. I'm Sabruddin. So in this video, we are going to learn. Now in my table, I want to show both values and percentage. How do we do that? So I'm going to take a copy of this table here. Now I want to calculate both percentage and total sales. Okay, here I'm going to keep the total again. Now as you can see, it shows this is jeans, sum of total two times. Okay, so here for sum of total 2, that is for the second column, I'm going to right click on it, go to this, I want row wise total. So how do we do that? Just click on row wise total. Now here you can see for jeans what is the total sales and what is the total percentage. For pant, what is the total sales, what is the total percentage. The same thing only here. Instead of having total percentage, I want total in one side, I want percentage in one side. How do we do that? So here we are having two fields here. I'm going to keep the values fields on the top. So this will shrink your table like this. So as a first part of our table, you can see the values. Okay, so that is your total sales amount. In the second part of our table, we can see the percentage of those sales. So this is how we can show both numbers and percentage in one pivot table.